Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your primary market on Shopify. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store, of course. That's the first step. And then after that, you want to click on settings. First, let me guys change. Okay, you want to click, I said, on settings, and you want to click here on markets. As you can see, the primary market, I have set it to Morocco, but you can change primary market if you want. But to change it, you will have to add a new market. Just click on add market. And then here you want to name this market, for example, new market. Okay. So after guys, after you name the market, like don't worry, customers will not see this, as you can see here. You just need to add here the country. For example, I want to change from Morocco to Algeria or Morocco to France. I'm going to change it to Canada, for example, and then click on add market. Okay, so after guys, you click on add market, what you guys need to do is you want to click on the Canada market and click on make primary market. If you cannot see here you will be able to see a new market under your primary market. Click on it, which is Canada. And then click on more actions, click on make primary market, click on confirm, and that's going to be your primary market. Now, as you can see, Canada now is my primary market. Now you can delete your old market if you want. For example, you can just click on the old market, click on more actions, click on remove market. That's exactly how you can do this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Ask me in the comments, I will reply to you guys. Drop a like, hit the like button, and see you guys in the next one.